Hello everyone, so welcome back to the episode number 4 of MS Word where we are using the insert tools. So here is next insert tool, which is insert picture. So here are three options where you can just insert the picture from this device, stock image or online image. You can use online image also. So many of you have heard about the image formatting and how you have to do for your resumes and many more things. So here's a dummy resume. So it is my resume, you can see. So here's a image I already inserted from here. So you have what you have to do, you have to click on picture format. See the cursor? So you have to click on picture format. So here you can get many options. You can remove background from this click, and just you can increase the brightness of image, so you can see how clear this image looks like if you increase the brightness or contrast. Here are many different options to increase the brightness. See, the image is not visible in this. So here are different color options. You can choose colors for your image. You can see here are different image. Well, you don't need a color for your resume image, but in case if you are using different image for formatting, you can use these colors to implement different styles or different image. Like right now I'll do no color, like normal. And artistic effect, you can see here in background you can change the effects of any image, like any image you can just change. And artistic effects, transparency means you can just transparent, you can see the image is being not visible at the last end, so how transparent the image is. So you can compress this picture by this change picture. You can change the picture from selecting another image from this device or any other online platform. And here's a reset picture. You can change the shape and size of the picture through this. And here is some different styles, like you want angled image, like you want a metal oval image, or you can see here are different box image. There are many different styles of image you can use. So here is a picture border. You can change the border of the picture like this. See, here's a blue border for this picture. And picture effect also, you can add reflections, like here you will see the reflection of the image will be visible. Here it is not visible properly just because of the style of the picture. You can see now it is normal, and I'll add reflection or shadow. So here is a shadow. You can see reflection. See, the if reflection was there in an image, and you can add and you can see many of you guys are facing positions, how to set the image in right side, how to set the image in left side. So you can just use this position tab, where you can just select where you want to add this picture, at the center, left, bottom, down, or just the picture shifted to the down side. So you can see by clicking this down right or down left of the corner of the page. So you can just do it at right. And wrap text is just a kind of text option, like you are seeing my name over here. You can just do anything with the text. Here you can move text through this. And here is another option for crop. Here you can crop the image. You can just use this so that you can crop the image. And here are many different crop options, like you can use triangle one, so image is not visible. So you have to select a suitable condition for which image is being visible properly. Or you can rotate the image, like if your image is like this, you can change the rotation. Flip image, you can change the rotation anyway. You can change the rotation of image in image picture formatting. So this is all about the picture formatting of MS Word while creating your resume or making your project file. So if you are making your project, you can set the picture format and there are many options available for you guys, you can check out. And this is all about for today's video. We will see next insert option in next episode. So if you would like this video, please comment to the video, and I would appreciate your feedback in comment section below. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative video, and share this to your friends so that it can be. Thank you viewers for watching this video.